Hi, in this video, I'm going to share with you about the Estimation 180 Toolkit, specifically three things: why I created the Estimation 180 Toolkit, what it includes, and how you can get your hands on it. Currently at estimation180.com, there's over 200 estimation tasks that are available to you for free. They're also available to students. And over the years, teachers have given me some very valuable feedback in terms of some frustrations and some requests. Teachers often ask, well, which tasks from estimation180.com align with what I have to teach? They also share with me frustrations when students spoil it. For example, if you teach fourth grade, you might have some students that come in and say, oh, we did this last year in third grade. Or since estimation180.com is free to you and to students, they could get really crafty and go on to Estimation 180 and figure out the answers and share it with their classmates. Another concern that teachers have is that they love Estimation 180. Their students love Estimation 180, but they're like, when do I fit it in? And how does it connect to what I have to teach? They know it's valuable, but they really want it to connect to the standards that they teach. And lastly, oftentimes teachers are like, am I doing this right? Am I using these resources correctly? So a lot of that teacher feedback inspired the work to create the Estimation 180 toolkits. Here's what the toolkits include. They include tasks directly aligned with grade level math standards that you teach. The toolkits also give teachers exclusive access to all the materials through teacher login. That way, students can't go home and figure out all the answers and spoil it for the class. Because all the tasks align with your math standards, that way, it's easy to support your core curriculum. For example, a lot of the tasks could be used as anchor tasks to provide a strong foundation for your core curriculum. And lastly, the toolkit gives teachers an opportunity to be part of a community where they can share their expertise with each other to learn and grow together. A lot of the tasks in the toolkit revolve around what I call the Estimation 180 Toolkit framework. It's a 5-step framework where you're creating an info gap that allows students to make an estimate, but then you provide them with a little bit more information or a scaffold, which allows them to refine their estimate. And then when you show students the reveal in true Estimation 180 fashion, you're able to connect the mathematics to their thinking. Why are info gaps so important? Because they boost student curiosity, their creativity, and their critical thinking. So I'd like to give you a brief overview of the toolkit. And we're going to dive in here to the grade 3 toolkit. On the dashboard, you can see on the left, the teachers have access to the domains, in this case, like measurement and data. As you can see on the tiling a rectangle task, there's a place for teachers to start. There's video notes and teacher notes for you to check out, as well as downloads. Then there's a short video for students to watch before you launch the task. And then in true Estimation 180 fashion, there's a reveal video, and that allows you again to pause a video and connect what's happening in the video to student mathematics. Sometimes there's extensions to tasks. For example, when students need to break apart complex shapes, you can go really deep with that concept. And so some tasks have those extensions available to you. Back on the dashboard, you'll see as a teacher, you have access to the community, or you could go straight to the community where there's going to be posts and teachers sharing, again, their expertise so that you can learn and grow together. So how do you get your grade level Estimation 180 toolkit? What you want to do is head to estimation180.com/toolkit. And there you'll get exclusive access to tasks connected to your grade level math standards. You'll get downloadable files, video introductions, video reveals, and you'll join a community of teachers where you can share your expertise with each other to learn and grow together. If your grade level toolkit isn't available yet, then join the waitlist. As I add additional content to these toolkits, prices will go up. So make sure you get your toolkit as early as possible. To learn more information, head to estimation180.com/toolkit.